I would like to tell you a story. A story that called Miob.io or a wizard of AI automation. Your storyteller today, Oleksii. That's me. Hello guys. Once upon a time, in the kingdom of people, entrepreneurs faced enormous challenges. Every day they battled storms of data, labyrinths of advertisement, and inefficiency of their ad campaigns. One day, a wizard came to the kingdom. He offered magical help, artificial intelligence, which can change the rules of the game once and for all. AI has brought automation, content generation, and smart campaigns optimization. It helps entrepreneurs attract new customers and manage their ad campaigns with ease, saving time and resources. With the help of the magic of AI, entrepreneurs have become more successful, their campaigns become more effective, and their costs decreased. By the way, how many are you guys are used experience with advertisement campaigns? Raise hands. You are marketers? Yes? Sorry, we will take your job. Now let's see how this magic tool works. And today from this point I will be like a founder of Miob. Guys, hello, this is Miob, this is our automation tool. So we are willing to help entrepreneurs around the world to help them launch their ad campaigns in Google, Meta, LinkedIn, Twitter and other platforms with easy. So let me explain you how it works. Super simple, like only 3 easy steps. First, you open the first step that asks you to fill a simple brief, like what is your business category, describe a little bit more about your product or service, attach your link to your product, fill gender and few more fields. You click continue and the step number 2, you see how AI generates the content for the future campaign. Currently, we support only Google Ads. In future, there will be an option for generation of media content as well. So, and that's it. You connect your Google Ads account and you start to get new customers. During the process of campaign, working off campaign, our tool is every day track the data, optimize it based on the best practices, and provide you with better results. So what's under the hood? We use 3 main elements. First one is LLM models, which allow to generate content and media. The second is machine learning that allow our service to learn from past experience and launch new campaigns using prediction method. And the optimization part. It works like the collective mind of all PPC specialists in the world, combined and digitalized in our tool. We launched today, by the way. Yes, we launched today. It's kind of soft launch we are working on. Currently we have $17 per month subscription with 7-day trial. After we add meta and media generation, the subscription cost will increase, and in future plans make a pro plan for real marketer specialists that as well can use our tool. Join us. Thank you.